Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we're going to uncover the incredible health benefits of a kitchen staple that often goes unnoticed, the humble onion. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the 8 hidden health benefits that onions bring to the table. Let's get started. Anti-inflammatory power. Onions are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin. These powerful antioxidants help reduce inflammation in our bodies, contributing to the prevention of chronic diseases. So, next time you're feeling achy, make sure to add some onions to your meal. Immune system booster. Did you know that onions can boost your immune system? They contain vitamin C, which is essential for strengthening your body's defense against illnesses. So, chop up those onions and keep those colds at bay. Heart health guardian. Onions are heart heroes. Their sulfur compounds help lower bad cholesterol levels and maintain healthy blood pressure. So, by incorporating onions into your diet, you're giving your heart a much-needed hug. Digestive dynamo. If you're looking to keep your digestive system in tip-top shape, onions are here to save the day. They're packed with dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Your tummy will thank you. Vision protector. Your eyes deserve some love too. Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds that help protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. So, don't forget to add onions to your colorful salads for a sight-boosting punch. Bone strength supporter. Want to keep your bones strong and healthy? Onions have got your back. They contain a unique compound called GPCS, which helps increase bone density and prevent bone-related diseases like osteoporosis. Let's cheers to strong bones with some onion soup. Blood sugar regulator. Attention, all health-conscious viewers. Onions are a fantastic addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. They contain compounds that assist in regulating blood sugar levels, making them an ideal choice for those looking to manage the glucose levels naturally. Mood booster. Last but certainly not least, onions can help brighten your mood. They contain folate, which plays a crucial role in the production of serotonin, a hormone that promotes feelings of happiness and well-being. So, let's bring joy to our plates with some delicious onion-inspired dishes. And there you have it, folks, the 8 hidden health benefits of onions. Who knew this versatile vegetable could offer such a range of positive impacts on our well-being? So, let's embrace the power of onions and make them a staple in our kitchens. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family to spread the onion love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.